Hello! Here I am down the garden. I've come down to feed the fish, and two things have come to mind. One, why is it fecking raining? I've got wet, and I don't want to go back up the garden because I'm going to get more wet. Conundrum. Anyway, the second thing that came to mind was, why does fish food generally smell a bit fishy? Is it just me? Would a fish, pop that back down, would a fish smell human food? Like, say, I don't know, a shepherd's pie, for instance, and say, holy heckington, that human food smells like human. Gross. I don't know. Oh, I think it's nearly stopped. It's still coming down a bit, but just a little bit. Just a little bit rainy. Hooah. 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 Come on, fishes. Come on, fishes. Hey, fishes. Come on, Nip. Come on, Nip. Yeah, lovely. Go on then, fishes. Eat the food. Okay, I love you. Bye. Still fecking raining though, and I don't want to go right up the garden. So I've decided... Fucking pigeon over there, look at it. You see? Well, obviously you don't, because I haven't pointed the camera over there yet. There's two of them. Oh, you'll see. Can you see them? I don't really like holding my camera phone over the top of the hedge, just in case the neighbours are like, oi, no. Oh, you'll see them. There's one. And I think one's over there. One. Two. No, you'll see. Quite refreshing, actually, you know? I mean, especially when you've got a hat to protect your bald head. It's all nice and refreshing. Do you see? Normally it's such an absolute bastard. That's not food, it's leaf. Don't eat it, man. Fish, not man. Ha. Hello? 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 Is it me you're looking for? No, it's some pelleted fish food. Look at the tree fern now. It's like a shuttlecock. Shuttlecock. You're not eating the food. I look like I've got a tree fern head. Oh, you'll see. Do you see that spider? Cheeky bastard on my fecking chair. That was wet on my face. Don't mind. I'll let you off, you absolute bastard. Hello, again. This is more on par with a proper random video. In other words, I don't really know what the feck I'm doing, which is how it usually goes. But I've got big plans. Big plans in the form of narrative storytelling. It's a bit scary, actually. You have to actually write, plan, rewrite, because your original writings were shite. They're not that bad, really. They're actually quite good. But saying they're good is quite self-aggrandizing, isn't it? So now I feel like somebody with some kind of narcissistic problem. Oh, gosh. Carlton, what do you think? Do you think I've got some kind of narcissistic problem? Carlton? Hello? You there? You're there, but are you aware that I'm here talking to you? Carlton? What are you doing way over there? Come here. Come here. Let me tell you a secret. Not that close. I'm struggling to fit my face in. There we go. That's better. Right. The secret... Well... don't know how to tell you now. It's quite embarrassing. The secret is my neck. It's quadruple jointed. Watch. It goes that way, and that way, and that way, and that way. Don't tell me yours can. I won't believe it. Okay? But keep that to yourself, alright? Don't want people knowing about it. It's quite embarrassing. Your neck shouldn't do that. I've seen people that can't move their neck. They just sort of go... And that's not me taking the mickle. That's me taking the... neckle. I'm hiding under this pillar because it's raining a bit heavier now. I think I've just walked through a fecking spider web as well. You absolute bastard. Yep, definitely raining heavier. I feel like I can feel it on my head, but I can't feel it on my head. It's a good hat on. Actually, that's a good point. Why do you feel things when you don't actually feel things? Have you ever, like, almost spilled a drink and then felt it, but you haven't felt it? Like a phantom feel, you know? You feel something and you imagine it's going to be far worse. Like you kick your toes and you go, ow! And actually it didn't hurt at all. You ever done that? No? Just me? Okay. Oh, I don't fecking believe it. I've left a key down there for absolute fecking bastard. It burns my skin. It's a good job I came back down because I've left the lid, this lid, off of the food for the fish. Pop that back on there, you regret clown. There we go. Absolute bastard. I just narrowly avoided the hugest drip I've ever seen. Hugest? Hugest? I don't think that's a word. Enormousest. That's a real word, right? Enormousest. That's the enormousest thing I've ever seen in my life. Hello. You alright? You got me last time. Not today. Isn't that a lovely green? You know, sometimes you've just got to appreciate the green. You're not very green, but you're a nice sort of purpley burgundy colour. I like purpley burgundy. Do you like purpley burgundy? Right, anyway, I'm going to have a bath, but first, I might have a shower actually. No, I don't mean first I'll have a shower. I mean, I might have a bath or a shower. Anyway, before I do either of those, I'm going to tidy this up a bit because there's the odd sprig, you know, sprig. Get something round that to tidy it up a bit, like my scythe. And then I'm going to relax with a nice sorry, I'm just going through all the different alcohols I've got. Jesus, there's so many. I think a couple of glasses of red should do. Yes, red. Come on. Let's get inside. Like that Trachycarpus fortune. Why do I know these fecking names? Okay, I'll see you later. I love you. Bye.